What if tomorrow's computers weren't built in factories, but grown in labs? That's the radical idea behind bacteria-based computing, using living cells as processors to solve problems silicon struggles with. Here's how it works. DNA is an information molecule. With synthetic biology, scientists program bacteria to switch genes on and off in response to signals. Those states act like bits, and when combined into networks, they perform logic, processing information chemically rather than electronically. Why bother? Efficiency and resilience. Silicon chips are fast, but they generate heat, degrade, and rely on rare materials. Bacteria grow, self-repair, and thrive in environments where electronics fail. A biocomputer could, in theory, run on nutrients, scale by reproduction, and heal damage on its own. Potential applications are fascinating. Imagine medical implants that detect infection and release drugs automatically. Water systems with living sensors monitoring toxins. Farms with soil microbes reporting nutrient levels in real time. These are specialized tasks where biology outperforms silicon. But reality is messy. Cells mutate, signals get noisy, and biological circuits sometimes interfere with survival. Engineers are working on kill switches, error correction designs, and containment strategies to keep living tech safe and reliable. Another hurdle: interfacing biology with electronics. How do you translate a chemical signal into digital output or send a command from software into DNA? Scientists are exploring optical sensors, electrical bridges, and chemical markers to connect wetware with hardware. Sound futuristic? Remember, early silicon computers were massive, unreliable, and niche. Step by step, they evolved into world-changing machines. Bacteria-based computing may follow the same path: humble beginnings, specialized use cases, and eventually, breakthroughs we can't yet predict. Would you trust a living computer to monitor your health, your water, or your farm? Share your take in the comments and subscribe for more explorations at the edge of biology and technology.